Hi guys, it's Shaghayer and welcome to Nail Room, a place where we learn everything you need to become a professional nail technician. In this video, we're talking about nail anatomy. I'll explain each part clearly so you can check your client's nails and work safely. Let's start with the matrix. It's located in here and we can call it the factory of the nails. This is where nail cells called onicoblasts are produced, and the health of the matrix decides the thickness, shape, and strength of the nails. Next is the proximal nail fold, the nearest to the matrix. This area covers and shields the matrix, stopping dirt, bacteria, and fungi from entering the nail's growth zone. Next is eponychium. It's living tissue with blood vessels and nerves. Visually, the eponychium looks like a thin semi-transparent layer sitting on the top of the matrix, or sometimes it overslaps with the dead cuticle. Now we have sinuses. Actually, they're part of the eponychium. These are small crescent-shaped structures within the living cuticle, and damaging them can affect nail growth. So during the manicure, we need to be very careful not to harm this area. Now we have cuticle, the dead layer on top. This thin layer of dead tissue sticks to the nail, and during manicures, we carefully remove or push it back. But we never touch the living eponychium underneath. Now we see lunula, the most sensitive part of the nail. And we can say it's the visible part of the matrix, and it's shaped like half moon. Next is the strongest part of the nail, which is called nail plate. It has 3 layers, and it's the only area where nail products like gel or acrylic can properly adhere. Here we have sidewalls, and they are sensitive because they have less keratin, and we should be careful when working here. Also, exit points are tiny important spots for nail growth, so never damage them. And the last part is free edge. It's made of fully keratinized dead cells that originally formed in the matrix, and because it has no longer attached to the nail bed, it has no blood vessels, no nerves, and that's why cutting or filing it doesn't hurt. One more important part of the nail is hyponychium, and it is located exactly here at the top of the nail under the free edge, and it's living tissue connected to the skin at the fingertip and contains blood vessels. We must never cut or damage this area. So today we learned all the important parts of the nail because understanding them helps us work safely and professionally. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to learn more about nail cares and techniques. Bye!